Hi, Anthony. What are you working on there?
Hey, Kole. I'm making a magic wand.
A magic wand? Cool. What are you going to use it for?
Making new friends.
Really? How?
I'll tell you how. I'll tap the wand to activate its magical powers, and then ask if they want to be my friend.
You're telling me you could tap this banana and make a new friend for us?
Yup, exactly. Here, let me show you. Abracadabra, make me a friend out of this banana.
Hey, I'm Benny the Banana.
Whoa.
I'm yellow, long, and grow on trees.
Hi, Benny. My name is Anthony. Do you want to be my friend?
Hi, Anthony. Abso-fruitly. I'd love to be your friend.
Yay! Let's make another friend. Abracadabra.
Hey, I'm Toasty the Toaster. Oh, ha ha, that gets me every time. I help make some of the food you eat every day, like toast, bagels, or waffles.
Hi, Toasty. My name is Anthony. Do you want to be my friend?
Nothing would warm me up more than being your friend.
Yippee! Abracadabra, let's meet a cactus.
Hi, I'm Kelly the Cactus. I'm a green plant that lives in the desert, and I'm full of spiky spikes.
Hi, Callie. My name is Anthony. Do you want to be my friend?
Of course, I couldn't point to a better friend than you.
Thanks. Abracadabra.
Honk, honk. I'm Terry the Tractor. I help farmers plant food and haul all sorts of stuff.
Well, hi, Terry. Do you want to be my friend? My name is Anthony.
Why, yes, I will be your friend. Honk, honk.
Really? Yay! A little abra and cadabra.
Hi, I'm Tiny, the tennis ball. I like to play catch, roll, and bounce.
Well, hi, Tiny. I'm also Tiny. Well, my name's Anthony. Do you want to be my friend?
I'd love that. I'll be your friend as long as I'm around.
Great!
Wow, Anthony. Look at all of our new friends.
Sometimes, Kole, if you want to make a new friend, all you have to do is ask.
That makes sense to me. Thank you for showing me how to make new friends today.
You're welcome. This has been the best day ever.
Thank you all so much for watching this week's episode of Anthony's Adventures.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
That's right. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, so that way you don't miss any of the fun weekly episodes that we'll be making together. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.